Dude, I can't do nothing.
No?
I'm quite out of breath.
Is that it?
I feel quite out of breath.
That's all you've got?
That's all I've got.
Dean! Seagulls. Seagulls. How many seagulls have you? How many seagulls have you caught?
7.
He's caught 7. Mark.
My face is sticky.
Sticky face. Right. So your answer is sticky face.
Yes.
Sticky face. I'm gonna go and find Paul now.
Good place.
How many seagulls have you caught?
None.
None.
But I've tried really hard.
Did you try?
I tried very hard.
No.
I profusely apologise for not getting any, but I tried really hard.
So how many seagulls did you catch?
None.
None.
What right, but they're pigeons, you idiot.
They're fucking seagulls.
Pigeons.
What?
Paul got none. How many did you get?
2.
2. We were 7 a minute ago.
Oh, hell no way. No.
How many seagulls have you caught?
Fuck you, fuck off.
Right. They've caught none. None at all.
None at all. Oh.
None whatsoever.
Should we skip across the road?
Go.